This is a video demo on how to structure your answer for a National 5 optional question. This example is based on 2018 National 5 past paper question number 3. The information underneath the image tells you who the artist is, the title of the artwork and also the type of materials they used. Make sure you always read this bit before answering the question. The question always asks you to write about 3 prompts. The 3 prompts have been bullet pointed in the question. Here I am highlighting these. The last part of the question asks you to give your own opinion based on one more prompt. In this question, it is style. Each of the optional questions are out of 10 marks. In order to get full marks, you need to give a balanced response to the question. A maximum of 2 marks are given to giving your own opinion. Thereafter, you need to divide the marks up equally amongst the other prompts. Here I am showing you 2 different ways in which you can get full marks for this question. 2 things about composition, 3 things about colour, 3 things about mood and atmosphere, and then 2 things about your personal opinion. Before answering the question, it is worth writing out the 3 prompts across the top of your page. In this question, the prompts are composition, colour, mood and atmosphere. Remember to also write down 2 things for your own opinion. In this case, it is to be based around the artist's use of style. I use bullet points to work out how many things I'm going to say for each prompt. 3 things for composition, 3 things for colour, 2 things for mood and atmosphere, and 2 things for personal opinion with style. That will equal 10 full marks. Now I'm going to start by looking at the first prompt. The first prompt is about composition. So looking at the sky, it creates quite a large empty space, which contrasts with the very busy sections of the painting. The animals are very dominant and up close in the painting, making them a focal point. And then you've got this sort of triangular section in the painting which leads your eye across from one side of the painting to the other. So now I'm writing down the key words based on the analysis that I've just made. I'm now going to analyse the second prompt, which is colour. So looking at the animals, I like how the artist has used contrasting colours. This helps create balance in the painting, a balance of colour. If you look at the colour wheel opposite, you can see where these colours are placed on the colour wheel. The red cow is a very dominant colour in the painting, and it's a very hot colour compared to the cool foreground and the cool background, so it creates a sense of depth to the painting perhaps. The colours used are quite abstract, and you could say that this makes the painting look more like a page from a storybook describing an image or a scene of a story. After analysing the second prompt, then write down the key words that will help you write your answer. The next section has been typed up so it's easier for you to follow. So the first prompt will become paragraph 1. The second prompt will become paragraph 2, and the third prompt will become paragraph 3. The style and personal opinion will take up paragraph 4. The words I've highlighted in yellow are the descriptions based on the analysis of the painting. The sections that I have highlighted in green are the impact statements. This is the bit that gets you the mark. Simply describing what you see will not get your mark. You must say what the impact is of that thing that you are describing. When you first start practicing answering these questions, you may want to use 2 different colours of pen. You can underline the description part and then underline the impact part. This will ensure that you pick up a full mark for each statement that you make. So I am using a yellow pen to underline the description, and I am using a green pen to underline the impact statement.